You're looking for blue ones. Yeah, can you go find a blue one?
There.
Do you see one over there? Go. Where is it?
Over here, Avery.
Do you see one over here?
Mommy's in your way. No.
Go back
Green
to
is
the
for
sunshine.
somebody else.
Samuel,
The sunshine's this way, Brady.
green is for William.
Here.
Can you put that one down? Or do you want to go
Avery,
give that
this
one to
way.
William?
That's right.
Well, I found a blue one.
Samuel, find a blue one.
All around.
I
All right.
already found that one right there.
Good. William.
Here's the yellow one.
Okay, come here.
I
What-
found the yellow one in a tree.
What did you find, Samuel?
Wait,
Okay,
there's more
Samuel,
sunshine.
there's more
Brady,
over
look,
here.
There's more sunshine over here.
Whoa, another one.
Another one? Cool.
Look over here. Look over here. Brady,
Samuel, can you find another blue one?
come back over here.
Yummy?
Samuel, there's more.
Well, I found it right here.
You gotta look. You gotta look in all the plants.
Yeah, you can eat it.
I see one.
You see one?
Totally food motivated. Okay, yeah, I'll go after the
Yellow. I found one.
Careful, bud.
1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, there's another one.
There's another one?
Okay.
Good.